Southeast Health announced a major partnership that could change healthcare in our region. News 4's Jacqueline Lambert joins us with how the largest healthcare network in our area is teaming up with the largest nonprofit healthcare system in America. Jacqueline, tell us the details that you know.
Southeast Health is now the only provider in Alabama to join the renowned Mayo Clinic healthcare network. Southeast and Mayo Clinic announced the partnership this morning, marking a new chapter in healthcare for our area. Through this collaboration, doctors at Southeast Health can consult with Mayo Clinic experts, giving patients access to world-class specialists. The goal is better health outcomes, especially for rare or complex medical conditions.
And we're proud that Southeast Health was asked to join this network, that we're performing at a level. We're the only hospital and the health system in the state of Alabama that's part of this network. And so that just really demonstrates the seriousness that we take for the patients here, delivering health care at that next level and providing a great education for our medical students.
Sutton says this partnership removes a major barrier with having access to such experts close to home so that people do not have to go far for expert and informed opinions. Live from Southeast Health, Jacqueline Lambert, your hometown news leader.